Your personal website is a customizable page that you can send to your prospects. From this page, they'll be able to join your team or contact you to get more information. To customize your personal website, log into Arbonne.com. Once you enter your username and password, click on your profile picture and choose My Account. This is where you'll find your unique website URL and where you can choose your welcome message along with write your 250-character My Story. Click on Account, a drop-down menu will appear, select Personal Website. Once you click Edit in the top right-hand corner, a drop-down menu and a text bar will appear. The drop-down menu provides you with pre-written welcome messages for you to choose from. Next, you can write your My Story in the text box. When you're happy with all of your content, click Save Changes. One final thing you can customize on your website is your photo. Click the pen icon next to your initials at the top left corner of the screen, then click Upload Picture. You can choose a photo in your computer or on your phone, upload it, and hit Save. To see your newly edited personal website, copy your website URL and paste it into the search bar of your browser. This is what someone will see when you send them this link. From here, prospects will be able to get in touch with you or join your team. To learn more about how retail clients can make a purchase that is credited to you, please visit the source and watch the How to Order as a Retail Client video.